Hi, I'm Jay, and today I'm going to talk about how to program your GeneralAire DH75 or DH100 dehumidifier. Turn your dehumidifier on by simply pressing on. After the dehumidifier has finished sampling the air, its screen will display the current status of temperature, humidity, and humidity set point in the space. You will need to select the initial system settings to include desired humidity set point, units, Fahrenheit or Celsius, remote dehumidistat, yes or no. You will not need to perform this step again after the initial setup. To change the desired humidity set point, simply press up or down. The same screen displays on the unit and on the app. While 40 to 60% is normally considered ideal and healthy, your comfort is the best indication of how to set your humidity level. The control displays the number of hours your filter has been in place. After replacing the filter, press the Reset Hours button to set it to 0. The filter must be replaced every 6 months. Do not operate the unit without a filter. Turn the power off before replacing your filter. The auto fan mode simply indicates that the fan will run whenever there is a call for dehumidification. When cycling is selected, the unit will run the fan at intervals of 10, 20, and 30 minutes per hour. This keeps air circulating throughout the space when a call for dehumidification is not present. If you have installed a remote control dehumidistat for the unit, you will need to select Yes. The screen will indicate a remote control is connected. With a remote dehumidistat, you will not be able to control the dehumidifier using Wi-Fi.